Hey there, fellow travelers! Are you always on the lookout for the latest travel gadgets to enhance your adventures and save money? You're in luck! In this new video from our travel series tips, we're thrilled to unveil the 5 best travel gadgets that will revolutionize the way you plan your trips and help you save money along the way. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or a curious adventurer, these gadgets are bound to make your travel experiences even more enjoyable and cost-effective. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications bell to stay tuned for more content related to your travel plans. So let's dive right in and explore these innovative travel companions. 1. Smart Luggage Tracker. Our first must-have travel gadget is a smart luggage tracker. Say goodbye to the anxiety of lost or misplaced luggage. This compact device uses GPS technology to track your bags in real time, allowing you to monitor their whereabouts through a smartphone app. Never worry about your luggage going astray again and save valuable time and money by avoiding unnecessary replacements or delays. 2. Portable Wi-Fi Hotspot. Next up on our list is a portable Wi-Fi hotspot. Stay connected wherever you go without incurring hefty roaming charges. These pocket-sized devices create a secure Wi-Fi network, allowing you to connect multiple devices and access the internet on the go. Research local attractions, book accommodations, and share your travel experiences seamlessly, all while saving money on expensive data plans. 3. Multi-USB Travel Adapter. When it comes to charging your devices abroad, a multi-USB travel adapter is an essential companion. This compact gadget allows you to plug in and charge multiple devices simultaneously, supporting different plug types from around the world. No more scrambling to find the right adapter or waiting for a single charging outlet. Stay powered up and save money on purchasing multiple adapters for different countries. 4. Portable Power Bank. Don't let a low battery disrupt your adventures. A portable power bank is a game changer for any traveler. This compact and lightweight device stores power that you can use to charge your smartphone, tablet, or other USB power devices on the go. Stay connected, capture breathtaking moments, and navigate with ease, all while avoiding the need to search for charging outlets or purchasing expensive airport charging services. 5. Travel-friendly water filter. Last but certainly not least, we have a travel-friendly water filter. Save money and reduce plastic waste by opting for a reusable water bottle with an integrated filter. These ingenious gadgets remove impurities from tap water, making it safe to drink while you explore new destinations. Enjoy fresh and clean water wherever you go, and save money on constantly purchasing bottled water. And there you have it, fellow travelers. The 5 best travel gadgets that will transform your journeys and help you save money while you're on the go. From smart luggage trackers to portable Wi-Fi hotspots and handy power banks, these gadgets are essential companions for any modern explorer. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our future travel tips and gadget recommendations. Safe travels, and until next time!